Way to go. Now the musical events are coming up next. So we're going to do some organization of creative in the center ring. If you're not competing in one of the other rings, don't worry about it because we know you guys are over there. But if you are not in one of the other rings and you're competing in creative, go to the center ring and Richard's going to start organizing.